News Storm Team.
Well, first thing I want to do is go over some frequently asked questions here. And how can you correctly measure snow in the storm? And it's going to be nearly impossible due to the drifting. So really all you can do for the most part is just give it your best shot. All right, if it's below freezing, how can the snow melt? Well, a couple things. One, the ground's warm, so it's melting from the bottom up. And two, the sun angle in April is plenty strong enough. And it could be melting snow down, and I'm thinking to around 20 degrees. That part's just a guess, just come from general observations. But in December, this wouldn't happen. But right now, with the sun angle, even below freezing, it could melt. Now, at this point, winter storm watch, winter weather advisory for eastern Montana. I would think that over the next little while, tonight or tomorrow, we will have either a winter weather advisory or a winter storm warning, and possibly both, with the warning most likely in the northern part of the state, but that'll be up to the National Weather Service. I know yesterday I was asking folks to make some, have their kids make some snowmen. I want to show you a few of them here. So there's Erica and Jalen, Taylor, Bryson, and Luna. Luna's the dog. That's great. They're having fun there. Here's some some more that we got. And look at the smiles on their face. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I didn't even make a snowman this time. Mostly doing shoveling, I guess. There's some more photos here. Oh, look at down the right there. I don't have names for the kids, but still, and this wasn't exactly a snowman on the right, but still, how can you not put cute little kids on TV, right? And finally, on the right, snow peeps. So let's get together with everything else. We have a lot of yellow on this map. That would be a lot of scattered ice or ice compacted snow on the roads, and any melting that we have is as soon as the sun goes down, if not before that, it's going to freeze solid again. So plan on that. Widespread 20s, a few upper teens, and most of these temperatures would be probably record low highs. If you follow my drift here, we're way below where we should be. A little light snow in central North Dakota, but nothing heavy. So here's the part that you may be groaning about, because an Easter storm looks like it's going to be moving in. And I'm going to start this computer model at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. And that's the word that you're probably going to throw something at me when you see those words right there. So here we are. We're going to go to about 2 o'clock in the morning. Could already be some light snow. The wind is really picking up in the southwest. Won't be a blizzard, I don't think. And then here we are by 6 o'clock in the morning. A little heavier snow already in the northeast or northwest, northeastern Montana, northwestern North Dakota. That's 6 o'clock in the morning. And then by 10 o'clock, that low doesn't move a whole lot. So widespread snow. I'm thinking north of Lake Sakakawea is where the heaviest snow is going to fall. And that could be, believe it or not, 6 to 10 inches is what it's looking like right now in some spots. Now, I'm not saying everybody will get that much, but don't be surprised if you do. And then by 4 in the afternoon, that storm is going to be traversing North Dakota, and it is going to continue to bring snow. And you can see the darker blues here, the heavier snow. But notice these yellow wind vectors here, 25, 30 mile an hour wind, blowing that snow around again. And then by Monday, it should be out of here. So it'll be a relatively fast moving storm. And once again, it looks like the northern counties, and I would say north of Lake Sakakawea has the highest odds for over 6 inches of snow. And I think the computer models, I think they're topping out around 10, but that doesn't mean everybody will get that much. But this looks a whole lot better than the last storm we went through. And normally you would say, hey, this is a lot more moisture, but I think people are kind of tired of shoveling right now. As we're looking at single-digit lows tonight, some of these will be record low temperatures. And then for tomorrow, we're going to be back into the 20s to around 30, which is still 20 degrees below normal. That's real cold. So here we go. There's that Easter Sunday storm possible. Temperatures will warm towards the end of next week, but it does look like, and you know, Brooke, the state, considering the drought we're in, and ranchers and farmers, I know they need the moisture. So, when I sound like I'm complaining, it's only because I'm just a little tired of shoveling. But I would rather shovel than go through what a lot of them are going through.
Well said, Tom. Thank you so much. Coming up next in our